Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chaitanya and in today's video, I am going to talk about how you can create custom events in Facebook events. This video is going to be about that, so make sure to watch it till the end, okay? And the most important thing friends, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Here guys, I am observing one thing. Many people are coming to my channel and watching videos but not subscribing to the channel. Okay, so guys, if you subscribe, I will bring many new tutorials for you here. Okay, so in today's video guys, it's going to be about how to create custom events on Facebook. And in today's scenario, I'm going to take a timer event for you. Okay, meaning what will a timer event be guys? Here, if a user comes to our website and spends a limited amount of time on our website, we are going to create such a custom event on our website here. Okay, so here guys, first of all, before starting the process, I will show you Facebook's documentation on what a custom event is and what a standard event is. Okay, so basically guys, look here, there is a URL from Facebook. If you search for Facebook conversion tracking events on Google, now you will find this URL here. They have provided the URL for conversion tracking, and here you can see they have explained the definitions of standard event and custom event. In this scenario, we are going to talk about custom events today, okay? But let me quickly give you an understanding of what standard events and custom events are. Okay, look here. What does a standard event mean, guys? It refers to events that are standard like leads, add to cart, purchase, initial checkout, page view. These are called standard events, guys. Okay, what this means is that according to the platform and document, whether it's Google, Pub Beta in Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, or Snapchat, whatever the platform, their ads platform has a standard format of documentation and some standard events, which are called standard events. Okay, so basically here, guys, look, Facebook has given an example of a standard event here. Okay, all standard events are tracked by calling the pixel. Okay, meaning the pixel can understand the standard event here. Okay, like the example I gave you of lead purchase. So here, see, they have written the code for the event here. Basically, guys, this is a JavaScript code. Okay, so you need to have basic knowledge of JavaScript for this. Okay, so this is going to be covered today. So here you can see that if you do an event, you have to write the event in HTML code, JavaScript code. So you have to write the code like this here. Okay, so guys, sometimes what happens is there are some platforms where Google Tag Manager skill support is not available. So when Google Tag Manager is not supported, you have to use JavaScript to write such code here. Okay, TPTTT. So mostly this is the developer's job, guys. But in case sometimes you know how to write one-liner code, you can write it. And Facebook has provided all the documentation on this. Okay, so look here, guys. See this? We use this in the scenario of custom HTML. Okay, but here, guys, if you are using a template, then I will show you a basic overview of the template here. Okay, so in the template, you'll say Faki Kita, you will see that I click on it here. Okay, after clicking, you can see here, guys, the standard event, and I click on the standard event. So here you see this is Facebook's standard event list. Here you can set up an event on an event. It means if you want to set up a purchase event, you can select purchase and trigger your custom purchase event here. Okay guys, so here you can see the names of such standard events are already available in Facebook's application. And here you can use its coding, meaning you can track all these things with JavaScript code as well. But here guys, for that, you need to have very strong knowledge of coding. Only then can you track all these things at a deep level. Okay, for now, I will save this. And now I will come to our main event, which is our topic for today. Custom event. Okay, so basically here guys, see what the custom event is saying. If our predefined standard events are suitable for your needs. Okay, meaning Facebook says that those which are different from our standard events, and you need to track some extra parameters like you see. If you look at a real estate client and you need to track an A button to see how many visitors on your website click on the download brochure A button, then what is this guys? A is a custom event. Okay, so if you want to track this, you can create a custom event in Google Analytics you can do it for LinkedIn and you can also do it for Facebook. Okay, but in today's scenario, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we are going to take the start timer, and in case it is possible for me, I will cover many custom event videos for you, like button click, timer, scroll depth, and tracking, meaning how UTM tracking is done. I will cover all these things in upcoming videos.
Okay, but here guys, there is a Facebook documentation.
What he's saying is, if you want to track custom events, how do you write the code FPQ?
To track custom. See, here they have clearly mentioned that if you want to track custom events, you need to write FBQ, comma, track custom. And if you want to track standard events, then for trust standard events, what guys are you seeing? Track means simply they have mixed these two things here with parameters. Tasas, hashes, okay. So here guys, what I'm going to do now is start our setup. Okay, guys, and the most important thing, friends, if you do not understand any concept from this, you can ask me in the comment section any question or doubt you have. Okay, so what I do first is go to Google Tag Manager, click on New. After clicking on New, I go to Tag Configuration and choose Custom HTML. Okay. Okay, and after doing custom HTML, look here, guys, we need to track this, okay? Here, what I do, guys, is body. Ignore the script of body A, and here we only need to take section A, okay? Look here, guys, what I do now is just because I need to track a custom event. So here, what I do, guys, is move the script back. I reduce the small gap here and see the error that was here is gone. Okay, and here in conversion tracking, I come to the custom event and see here FBQ/track custom. We have to give it such a name. Okay, on top of this, what I do is already track is there, guys. Here I just write custom. Okay, after it becomes custom, what I need to track here, guys, is 60 seconds. Here it means if any user comes to my website and spends 60, that is 1 minute, I need to track that. So here I will name it as a custom event. Okay, and here, guys, see, when we are using JavaScript, always remember whatever word you are using or anything, you should not use space A in between. If you give a space, it is counted as a separate object or parameter. Okay. So what I do here, guys, is I give it a basic name like underscore 60 seconds. And guys, since we have a lead generation website here, I don't need to track any purchase value currency here, and I close it here. Okay. So here the comma is also done. Here I first name it FB Pixel custom. Okay. And here I name it, guys, 60-second timer on the website. Okay, guys. And here, after this, what do I have to do? I have to come to the trigger. After coming to the trigger, guys, which trigger do we have to set? Timer trigger? Yes, exactly. After coming to the timer trigger, here I set it to timer trigger select interval. It is asking for 6 milliseconds. So here you have to type 60,000. Okay, guys. Millisecond, not second. So keep this in mind, okay? And here, if you want to set a limit, you can also set a limit. That meaning, if a user comes, only one event will be counted here. So here, I set it to 1. And after this, you need to select the variable of the page URL. You need to select the variable here. After that, instead of contains, you need to do match rejects. Okay? After selecting this option, guys, you have to type a dot and asterisk here. And here you have to name this trigger 60-second timer. Okay? I have named it. I will save it, guys. Okay? After saving, I save it again here. Our setup is complete here, guys. Okay, now our 60-second timer event is set up correctly here. How will we know? Yes, guys, most importantly, by previewing. Okay, here I do the preview, guys. Okay. After doing the preview, look here. The website has appeared. Here I connect it. Okay. Okay, guys, I don't know what happened here. It didn't connect. So I'll preview it again here. Okay, a new window will open. I'll connect it, guys. Okay. Now it's connected, guys. Look here. After connecting, a pop-up window has opened. Okay. And here, guys, now what I do is see here our tag assistant has connected, and see here the FB Pixel custom 60-second timer we created. For now, guys, I will pause the video for a few seconds and meet you when the A event automatically fires. Okay. Okay, guys, welcome back to the screen. Okay. Here, guys, see. As I told you that I am pausing the video for a few seconds, and as soon as our 60-second timer is up, the 60-second tag has fired here. Look here, if you saw the events before the video was paused, there are only 6 events here. But as soon as I resumed the video after pausing it here, the A timer event appeared here. So look here, guys, the FB Pixel custom 60-second timer event that we created is showing, and here you can see, guys, custom HTML succeeded. If I click on it, you will see the status here, guys. If you look at its value here, you will see the GTM ID timer and see the timer limit. We have set up the trigger here as well. Okay, so I hope, guys, you like this video. So guys, this was us. This was today's video about how to track some custom events on Facebook using Facebook Pixel. So before you close the video, let me show you what needs to be done. You have to write 2 scripts, one in the head, an opening body script, and a closing body script. Okay?
But here you guys can see there is a slash in the closing body, okay? And here from Facebook's document, as we mentioned, FPQ track custom means you need to FPQ comma.
Track custom A, you have to mention the parameter here first, and after that, after giving a comma there, you have to use a single quoted comma, and then whatever event you want to track, whether it's a button click, timer, scroll depth, anything, whatever you want to track, you have to give it a name here. And here, the most important thing, friends, I told you is that you should not use spaces. If you use spaces, the chances of your tracking breaking here will increase. Okay, so here you can see on my screen that the tracking I did for 60 seconds, meaning I set it up using an underscore, and then here, guys, I triggered it. Okay.
So I hope guys you like this video. If so, please like the video and don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I will be bringing many more tutorials like this for you. Until then, stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to press the channel's bell icon.
So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye and tata.